Now, these are the answers to experiment 3 and 4. For experiment 3, to answer question 1, we have to make use of E equals to MC theta. And when I say theta, I'm referring to your T. Now, the T is dependent on the laboratory you use. I mean the environment, the prevailing temperature in the environment where you are at the time the experiment is being carried out. So it differs from one person to the other. So I cannot categorically give you this answer. It depends on the temperature you use. But two things that must be same is your mass and your specific heat capacity. So that solves question 1. Question 2, the reaction is exothermic. Question 3, you list any of the 3 assumptions we have made. 1, the change in heat of solute equals to change in heat of water. The mass of solute equals to volume of solute. Then the third one is a temperature could either be used as degree Kelvin or degree Celsius. No need of conversion. Alright, now the next question, you are still going to use your E equals MC theta, but in this case your mass is 80 grams, your specific capacity is constant, it's given as 4.184 joules per gram per Kelvin, and temperature is also given in the manual to be as you're seeing. So I said note, there is no uniform temperature expected since you perform the experiment at different laboratories. Now let's move to experiment 4. The same case about the temperature is still applicable here. Since there is no uniform temperature expected, you are meant to have different temperatures for your calculations. So the first calculation, you are still going to make use of your E equals to MC theta, where your mass is the 25 plus 25 mass of acid and base added together to give you 50 grams. Your specific capacities are stated, which is constant. The temperature differs again. For question 2, you have to calculate the enthalpy change per mole of HCl. For you to calculate this, you are going to make use of the formula E equals E over N rather. Sorry for that distraction. We are going to calculate enthalpy change per mole as enthalpy change over N. So whatever you get in MC theta up, you divide it by your N. How do you get your N? Using the formula N equals to CV. Your N is 1 mole per dm cube. Then the volume is 25 per 1000 dm cube. So you do your mathematics, you're going to get 0.025. So then you divide those two values and you get your enthalpy change per mole. So the assumptions is as explained in experiment 3. So that brings us to the end of experiment 4. We move on to experiment 5. Thank you.